The MP Board Hindi paper has arrived for all Class 9 students. Dear students, you've seen that the social science question paper we shared was 100% authentic, and it was printed for today's exam. Now, the Hindi paper has arrived. The question paper we're sharing is 100% authentic, and it will be asked in your exam. Dear students, all the students watching this video must be careful not to miss it, as even those who were commenting yesterday, saying, "Sir, it won't come, it won't come." Today, those same students are asking us, "Sir, please tell us the paper, because the entire paper has arrived." Dear students, this is the entire authentic question paper that will be asked in your exam tomorrow. The paper is scheduled for November 4th. Let's start with our questions. The first questions you'll be asked will be the correct option questions. Dear students, memorize these questions, as these are the ones that will appear in your exam tomorrow. Who wrote The Prisoner and the Nightingale? Tomorrow you will be asked whose works are Kaidi and Kokila. All the students have to say that it is the work of Makanlal Chaturvedi. Here, you have to correct Makanlal Chaturvedi. This is Kabir's language, so dear children, Kabir's language is Sadakari. Here, you have to say Sadakari. How many parts does Rasa have? Rasa has 4 parts: Vibha, Anubhav, Santri Bhav, and Sthayi Bhav. The most dangerous place in Tibet is Thade. So, all of you children have to remember Thade as the correct answer. Dear students, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Later, you will regret wishing you had checked the paper. Shyam will also go. What is the word mine be also? Be is a particle word. Words that are pronounced with emphasis are called particle words. Okay, see the next question. Ramswarup had ordered it from Ratan. So what did he order? He ordered butter. So, you have to correct Makan here. Dear students, the next question is in front of your screen, in which you are given fill-in-the-blank questions that are 100% likely to appear in your exam. Okay, look, who is the author of Gram Shri? So here you have to say Pant. Who is the author of Gram Shri Rath? So your correct Pant here will be Sumatranandan Pant. What is the general meaning of Alankar? So, the general meaning of Alankar is jewel. Doha is a meter. So, what type of meter is Doha? Doha is a metrical meter. So you have to write metrical. Premchand was a literary writer. So what should you write in it? Realist. What was Renu's full name? So you have to say Vanishwarnath Renu. And I will tell you the synonym for Kamal. Write Pankaj. What should you write? It is Pankaj. So, Pankaj should be the correct answer. All the students must memorize these questions because, dear students, these are the questions that will appear in your exam tomorrow. So, all of you children should pay attention. In the modern period, you have to match option number B with Nagarjuna. In this, you would call a donkey a fool. In the descriptive meter, your couplet would be correct. A group of 3 fruits is called Triphala. Rahul Sankrityayan, on the other hand, said that the land that cannot be sown is called Pratibhumi. So, all of you children must pay attention. All children must also subscribe to the channel. Dear children, the question papers we provide are the same question papers. As you saw today, the same question papers were printed in the exam. Now, I will tell you the papers for all the subjects. Right? What is called a literary book? So, Premchand is called a literary book, where poetry is based on words. What figure of speech is there? So, the word is the base. That means your Shabda Alankar will be correct here. What will it be? Shabda Alankar. In the second, why did poet Pant call the village a destroyer of people? Because the village atmosphere is so captivating. Isn't that why? What wish did writer Maridala Garg's grandmother make at the temple? She prayed that the first child be a girl, right? The first child should be a girl, right? She prayed for a girl. Where the first word is predominant, there is an indeclinable compound. Which one is it? So, here you have to write indeclinable. Right? A popular saying is called a proverb. So, keep in mind the proverb. After this, look at the truth and falsehood that will appear in your test. Dear children, please see, Ramswarup's wife's name was Prema. So, this is absolutely true. Language is the medium of exchange of ideas. This is absolutely true. The subject matter of a short poem is broad. This is a lie. Lawrence was in love with a pigeon. This would be absolutely true. Raskin is the author of Prem Vatika. This is absolutely correct. The author of this text knew how to swim in this deluge. This is a lie. Okay? After this, the remaining questions will be shared with all of you students. Now please subscribe to the channel. These questions will appear in your exam. These questions will be from these. I'm telling you this. So, make sure you memorize these questions.